Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to decrease or increase cell size in Excel. Open your Excel file. There, select the cells to modify. After that, from the Home menu, click on Format and choose the option Row Height. In the small pop-up window, enter the new size. When you click OK, you will see the new size of those cells. Now you can select some cells again. This time from the Format, select the Column Width option. Enter the size in the window, and when you apply the changes, you will see the new size assigned. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.